Are you drinking out of a big boy cup? Yeah? They don't quite understand how this works. Oh. That's a big boy cup. But you have to be careful with it. Yeah, you can't grab it. Yeah, I know. You don't want to give it up, but you don't quite understand it's going to spill. Oh, a little more coming out than you thought. All done. All done? Just Cooper, you got to give up the cup. Oh, dear. That's what I was warning you about, Cooper. That's a little stunned. Is that a little chilly? Yeah, you just have a bunch of milk went down your front. Oh. That's what happens. It feels a little uncomfortable. That was a big boy cup. Good job, though, before you spilled it. Good job.